Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to learn about the indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, indefinite articles are a, and we are going to use them with countable singular nouns. Example, a banana, an apple. Okay, we use some with countable plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Example, some bananas, some cheese. Okay, here we have a countable and here we have uncountable. Okay, we are going to use the indefinite articles when we're talking about things in general. For example, my sister has a dog. I want to buy an umbrella. There are some children in the park. So this is, you are talking here in general, okay? It is not specific. When we are talking about something for the first time, examples, can I have some milk, please? Is there a shoe shop in the street? Okay. And now we are going to see the definite article. The definite article we use the with countable singular nouns or uncountable nouns. For example, the banana, the apple, the cheese. And we use definite articles when we are talking about something specific. For example, the small dog is my favorite. I like the pink umbrella. So if you see here, we have something specific. Also, we can use that when we are talking about something we talked about before. Put the milk on the table. The shoe shop is next to the supermarket. Okay? Now, then we are going to learn something else about the indefinite articles. Okay? Okay, we are going to say the difference between a and. When are you going to use them? Okay. When you are going to use a when you are consonant sound. For example, a book. Here is the consonant sound. A card, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a chalk. And we are going to use an with a vowel sound. Example, an apple, an egg, an insect. Here we have the vowel sound, apple, air, insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Okay, but you have to be very careful because here the sound of the letter is important. For example, you can say a house, so you're going to use a because the sound, house, but an hour. Here, the H is silent. You see, so you pronounce hour. Okay. Then we have an uncle, but a university is different because here it is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound because you pronounce this you. Okay. To end this. This rules applies to all words after a or an, including adjectives or adverbs. A cold day, a very crazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class. Okay, that's all for today, and I see you later. Goodbye.